Hey everybody, how are you? I am back, and I loved making those marshmallow, the s'more men so much. I'm going to make some for Easter. So I have some of my graham crackers that I made out of the mold, and if you go back, or I'll put it in the description box below, how I made them for Christmas. So I made these out of a mold, and I made some of the snow out of the Model Magic, as well as the little snow, I want to keep saying snowmen, they're not, the marshmallow men. And then I just took some little things that I got from Amazon, plus I made hearts out of molds. And I also cut out hearts from scrapbook paper, okay? So it's going to be a very inexpensive but adorable DIY. So I have some of my little molds and little goodies to put with these snowmen, and I have a mold from a Hershey's chocolate, so I'm going to paint that the burnt umber, because he's got to have some chocolate, right? And I also made some conversation hearts out of the Model Magic, and I'm going to paint those. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and paint the chocolate, because that's going to have to dry a little bit, and I'll help it along with my heat gun. And I already made a couple of the faces, and I just used my paint, and I'll show you when I make the one that I didn't do yet. And then I made the little noses during Christmas, and I made enough of them knowing that I would probably be making more of these, just not for Christmas but for different holidays. These can go for any holiday. Okay, so let me get my burnt umber. We have our marshmallow, and this is a marshmallow that's been squished, if you will. And I won't use these for all of them, because hence these are the marshmallows, but I will put the chocolate down on these, so I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I have my burnt umber out here, and I'm going to use big brush, wide brush, get the job done faster. I'm just going to hold it with my wire cutters, just ever so slightly. Burnt umber's the best for the chocolate. I'm hoping to get some Easter things that I wanted to do last year that I didn't get done for this year, so fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, get this done. I'm going to do a couple coats. I'm not going to do any painting on the marshmallows. The color's fine for me. I'll do one more chocolate bar. I'll be back, and then I'll get this little marshmallow guy, his face on and his nose, and then we'll start embellishing. These are going to be cute, guys. Okay, guys. I got the chocolate bars done. But look. Look. Is this adorable? I took a skewer and made the arms and painted it brown. And then see the little hearts here? Those are little hearts that I found online. Now you can make these. You can just take some clay, dry them, and cut it out with a hole punch. But I used paper here just regular scrapbook paper, like she's holding, or he's holding, a string of hearts. Is that cute? Oh my gosh. I love these. Okay, all right, so let's put this one aside until I glue it. Okay, but for now, let's go ahead and we'll do the eyes on this one, and we will glue the nose. Okay, so all I did is I just took, like at Christmas time, I took just, this is the black slick paint from Tulip. Just gonna put a little here. You just need a tiny, tiny bit. And you can use a toothpick. This is just the end of one of the skewers. So I'm going to come in, find my best. I think that'll be about right. And you're going to come in and just find where you want your eyes to be. And then you'll go ahead and I'm going to heat up my glue gun, and then you're going to put your nose. I usually make the eyes before I put the nose, so I know about where to put the nose. Okay? Okay, so the glue gun's hot. And let's just get this nose on. And I made this nose out of the clay, remember? It's the same clay, Model Magic. And I've shown in my Christmas one, I believe, how to make the noses. It's not hard. Okay. So now let's do the mouth, and I'm just going to do some dots. I think that's how I'm going to do him. Okay, now I want to get the arms on, so I'm going to cut off, but I think I want these arms holding the, oh, I hate these glue strings. Don't know how big I want. So I think I'm going to have the arms and what's nice about this clay, it can push in. Now I would glue it to make sure it stays. Okay, so I want the arms like this because I'm going to bring them over to hold one of these hearts that I made out of a mold with the Model Magic. Okay, so with this, because it's the Model Magic again, I can press it in just like, and now he's holding a heart. I think that's cute. It's really cute. All right, so now let's glue these onto okay. These are really fast. If you make these one night, just mold all of your marshmallows, which is not hard to do. I've shown you how to do that. And you could even make the faces ahead of time and just have them ready for when you want to do something or make one. And I'm going to put a couple little hearts like you see here. I think I'll bring another one down there. I hope you like these, you guys. You don't have to make them just for Christmas. Let's put a heart with her. These hearts I got online. There you go. I hope that you will go ahead and make some more of these cuties. These are absolutely adorable. I love them. I think they are precious. Make a little red bow to make her a girl. And look at him. Get out your Model Magic. Get a skewer and make some of these cuties for your Valentine. Okay, look, I put a bow. I love that. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that.